How to use automated and server actions in Odoo. Want to automate tasks in Odoo? Meet automated and server actions, your digital assistants for handling routine work. In this video, we'll show you how they work, how to set them up, and how they save you time. Let's dive in. What are server actions? Server actions define what happens, like updating records or sending emails. Triggered manually or by events, they're powerful tools that handle tasks behind the scenes. Creating server actions. To create a server action, go to Settings, Technical Actions. Click Create, choose a model like CRM Lead, select an action, e.g., update the record, set the field and value, then save. Done. What are automated actions? Automated actions define when something happens, triggering server actions based on changes like record creation or updates, completing the automation loop. Creating automated actions. To set up an automated action, go to Settings, Technical Automation. Select a model like Sales Order, set a trigger, e.g., on update, add a condition, and link it to a server action like sending a confirmation email. 2 quick examples. 1. Set a default product category with a server action triggered on creation. 2. Send a thank you email when a sales order moves to sale. Easy and efficient automation. Best practices. Some tips. Keep actions simple. Avoid loops. Test in a development environment. Document clearly for your team. Always validate your condition. Following these will keep your automation smooth and reliable. With server and automated actions, you can turn Odoo into an efficient, self-updating machine. Try creating one today and watch your productivity soar. Visit www.o2btechnologies.com to learn more and upgrade today.